Hi, if you need to turn on NFC on iPhone 16e, then firstly, you're gonna need Shortcuts app. I'm gonna just swipe down to trigger Spotlight search and manually enter shortcuts to find this app. If it is not installed for some reason, then go in App Store. Here you would need to simply search for this app. And right now let's open it. On the bottom of the display, choose Automation and click to add new one. And all is left is to scroll down a bit, find NFC, and now you can just click here to scan and hold your device near the NFC tag. So now your device is ready to scan, meaning that NFC is turned on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.